Welcome to our tutorial on how to change density settings in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to customize the density of your Gmail interface, allowing you to optimize your email viewing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. On the top right corner of the Gmail interface, locate and click on the Settings icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. From the menu, scroll down and find the Density section. Here you can choose the mode that suits your preferences. You have 3 options: comfortable, cozy, and compact. Simply click on the desired mode, and the interface will instantly adjust according to your selection. By following these steps, you can easily change the density settings in Gmail on your PC, ensuring a personalized and comfortable email viewing experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Enjoy a customized Gmail interface on your PC with optimized density settings.